Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, in this video I will explain how to do ospf routing in real device, not in Cisco packet tracer. So first we will make a topology first. Make the topology first. Okay, let's go. Okay, so actually we are told to make a topology like this. Three routers and three switch and three endpoint or laptop. But because the device is not complete, so we make a topology like this. Now this one router and two switch, and then laptop, three laptop or endpoint. Endpoint. Okay, let's go for configuration. Okay, let's go for configuration. Okay, so the first thing is we want to configure the router one first, and yeah, in this here we change this multi-layer switch into the router one and set the router face to the no switch port because we want to get the IP. For the end user or in this set, we want to check first about the configuration. So the next is we set the IP address in interface. I think interface wait interface G to G for slash sorry, I mean internet interface 4/0/1. Okay, we turn the first about no switch port. As you can see, we can set the IP address before we turn off the switch port. And first this here, no switch port. Okay, and then IP address here, disable first and set the IP address 192.168.10.1.255.255.255 and 0. After that, we go to the next interface is gig 4/0/2 and something, we disable switchboard first. After that we set the IP 10.0.0.1 and also the subnet mask 255.0.0.0. And don't forget about no shutdown for the interface. Yeah, we continue again to show run for checking the configuration. Wait guys, and yeah, we for the set IP address. Next we set the router ospf 1 for the routing, and this here I forgot to enable IP routing first, because in switch, multi-layer switch must be turned on IP routing. And now we can set the router. After that we set the IP network. Each other interface we set for, as you can see, in the first network I put 192.16.10.0 for network, and the subnet mask is and also don't forget about the area, because the ospf must connected by area, and we call it area 0 is area network. And next we put in the second network IP, and network 10.0. Right. After that we set the router, set the DHCP service for the automatic IP to the end user or endpoint. And for the service DHCP, we must create the DHCP pool for the IP automatic. We name it TRKGA, and the IP is 192.168.10.0, and 255. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay, and the gateway is this. And after that, the server is optional because uh, if we connect to internet, we connect in real life to the DNS server called Cloud, Cloudflare. But in this here, we just connect in to local area network, not to the internet or global area network. DNS server may be optional, and yeah, after that we check about the configuration. If it's right, we we must go next the configuration to the router too. But if we wrong, maybe we must write it. And yeah, we change to the router 2. As the setting of the configuration in router 1, we must set the interface first and set the IP address, and after that we continue to the set router ospf and put in the IP network each other connected, and also we must create the service DHCP, and it's done. Okay, and after that we change again to the router 3 as the same thing, both of the router. Before we must set first the interface and set the IP interface for the interface, and also config the SPF and put in the network IP and wildcard mask for the advertising with the routing to the edge other. And don't forget about the service of the DHCP, so we can configure automatic IP address. And It's very, yeah, it's very simple and then much better with static IP because we don't have we set in the dynamic protocol DHCP. So yeah, maybe I will skip this video. It's because it's so long. And next is to the okay, and next to the plugin cabling. Okay guys, sorry because the video when connecting to cable to the router and switch is missing, so this is only a video when all the cables are installed.